Hey guys, welcome to part 7 of the Classic Survival Horror Framework tutorial series. In this part, we're going to look at how you can create a custom cutscene or animation for your own unique door. Open Door Cinematic Level. The very first thing you need to do is import your door 3D model into the framework. So, bring it into your Unreal project, and then go to the Cinematic Sequence Platform folder. In there, you'll see several sample sequencers that I've already made for different platforms inside the framework. You've got two options here. You can take one of these sequences, modify it, and use it for your new platform or door. Or you can create a completely new sequence from scratch. In this video, I'll show you the easiest way, which is modifying one of the existing sequences. First, inside our map, we place the new door mesh right next to the template door mesh, just to check if they match structurally. As you can see, they actually don't match. To be 100% sure, we set both doors' locations to 0, 0, 0. And yeah, you can clearly see the difference. So these need to be perfectly aligned and structured the same way. How do we fix that? We export our door model to Blender and match it with the template door there. Just to be clear, this step is only necessary because we want to reuse the existing sample sequencer. If you're making a completely new sequencer, you can skip this part. Inside Blender, both doors are placed at 0, 0, 0. We then align the location and rotation of our new door to match the template door. After that, we adjust the Z position so the door sits correctly on the origin. Finally, we set the origin to the cursor and geometry to origin. Once that's done, we delete the template door, export our new door, and bring it back into Unreal. After importing, we set up the materials, using the same ones we had before exporting. Now we test it again at 0 point. And as you can see, it's a perfect match. There is a slight offset, but we'll fix that later inside the sequencer. We don't need these now, so now we delete them from the scene. Next, we open one of the existing cutscene sequences and replace the door mesh with our new one. Since this door doesn't have a handle, we don't need the handle tracks at all. So we set all handle meshes to visibility false. If your door does have a handle, you'll need to separate it in Blender, import it as a separate mesh, and replace the existing handle. Now we replace the door mesh in the sequencer with our new static mesh. And that's it. The cutscene works automatically. However, you'll notice a small offset. To fix this, we select the door mesh and slightly adjust its X location until the animation looks right. Once we're happy with it, we render the sequencer. This gives us an MP4 video file. Remember, for every door or platform, you need two sides, side A and side B. Side A is done. Now we do the same for side B. Nothing special here. The animation is already ready. We just render it. And as you can see, both renders are exported successfully. Now we move both videos into the Movies folder in the project. Inside the Movies folder, we create a few things. First, for each side, we create a media source file and assign the correct video file. Then, we create a media player. We assign the media source, and Unreal automatically creates a media texture. I just renamed the media texture to keep naming consistent. This part is personal preference. I just like everything clean and consistent. We do exactly the same for side B. Now it's time to actually replace a door in the game. We go to BP door. We duplicate it and rename it something like BP new door. We replace the door mesh here. We don't have a specific frame mesh in this example, but you can replace the frame too if you want. We adjust the size if needed. The handle is unnecessary, so you can hide or delete it. Then we place the new door blueprint in the level. Next step, enums and data tables. We go to the platform cutscene row name enum and add a new entry. Something like new door. Then we open the DT platform and add a new row with the same name. Here, we assign everything. Just fill in what the system asks for. For audio, since we don't have a unique sound, I reuse an existing door sound, but ideally, Every door should have its own sound effects. Finally, in the Doors Details panel, set Platform Cutscene Row Name to New Door option and enable Show Platform Cutscene. And that's it. Congrats! You've just added a new custom door with its own cutscene to the framework. As you can see, the cutscene plays correctly from both sides. That's it for this video. A lot of you asked for this, so I decided to include it as part 7 of the tutorial series. If you have any questions, you can reach me via email or the framework's dedicated chat room. And if something really needs a video tutorial, I'll definitely make one. Hope you enjoyed this tutorial, and see you in the next one.